I love South Park, and this is how I remix the pandemic special. First, I grabbed the audio from the theme song. Then I looped it and put a filter on it to give it a nice bumpy vibe for the breakdown. I then imported the new episode into Ableton. Then I chopped it up.
Do you even know anyone personally who's dying of COVID?
And finally, to bring it all together, I chopped up the banjo lead. Added some effects. Made a cool groovy bass line. And this is what it all sounds like put together.
Well, you kids want to see something really cool? Check this out.
You know, we've all been through a lot these past several months. We've shut down and people have lost their businesses, lost their livelihoods. I also own a small business. I sell weed.
People are hurting. People are dying, Randy. And all you could think about is making a special about it?
I'm doing something positive to try and help. People really need this right now.
Come on down South Park and meet some friends of mine.
You're supposed to wear your mask over your nose. Looks like you're wearing a diaper for your chin. Chin diapers don't help. There's no real proof that a mask even does anything. Spoken like a true redneck. I'm sorry, I thought this was fair.
Come on down South Park and meet some friends of mine.
Do you even know anyone personally who's dying of COVID?
Yes, my brother Jimbo, who is in the hospital.
Jimbo's a fat alcoholic who'd be in the hospital anyway. All I'm saying is that we can't let some dirty virus from China completely upend our lives and shut us down. I know what China's like. Doesn't surprise me all this shit came from there.
Come on down South Park and meet some friends of mine.
Oh my God. You're not gonna believe this. They're gonna try and make us go back to school.